World number 2 Naomi Osaka has withdrawn from the French Open after controversy over her refusal to speak to the media post her tournament. Now, the move was a dramatic turn in the high-stakes standoff between the most powerful Grand Slams officials in tennis and 23-year-old Osaka. The Japanese star had said last week that she would not do news conferences at the Roland Garros to protect her mental health. The four-time Grand Slam champion won her opening match on Sunday and was then fined $15,000 for not doing a post-match press conference. Later that day, a joint statement from the Grand Slam organizer said Osaka could face expulsion from the tournament if she continued to avoid the pressers. That led to the player announcing her withdrawal. Reigniting the debate on mental health, Osaka in her statement revealed that she has suffered bouts of depression since the US Open in 2018. The four-time Grand Slam champion also apologized to the, and I quote, cool journalists she may have hurt, and stressed that she suffers from anxiety when speaking in public.
I feel for Naomi. I feel like I wish I could give her a hug because I know what it's like. Like I said, I've been in those positions and everyone handles things differently. So, you know, you just have to let her handle it the way she wants to in the best way that she thinks she can. And that's the only thing I can say. I think she's doing the best that she can.